Hey there, marketers! Today, I'm diving into one of the most powerful yet underutilized tools in your arsenal, Google Trends. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this tool can supercharge your market research. First things first, what is Google Trends? It's a free tool that lets you see how often a search term is entered into Google over a specific period. This can give you invaluable insights into consumer behavior, trending topics, and even your competition. So, how do you get started? Head over to trends.google.com and type in a keyword related to your niche. Let's say you're in the fitness industry, type in home workouts and boom, you get a graph showing the search interest over time. This can help you identify seasonal trends and peak times for specific topics. But here's the kicker. You can compare multiple terms. Try adding gym workouts and see how they stack up against home workouts. This comparison can guide your content strategy, helping you focus on what's truly trending. Next, use the related queries section to discover new keywords. These are search terms that are often looked up in relation to your main keyword. It's like having a cheat sheet for content ideas and SEO optimization. And don't forget to check out the interest by region feature. This shows you where your terms are most popular geographically, allowing for targeted marketing campaigns. Finally, set up alerts for your key terms. Google Trends can notify you when there's a sudden spike in interest, so you can act fast and stay ahead of the curve. So there you have it. Google Trends is more than just a tool. It's your secret weapon for mastering market research. Give it a try and watch your marketing efforts soar. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Catch you later.